guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a Rosland haul and I'm so excited. They sent these over and they are glow in the dark. So you can see there are two colors here. Now I don't know if it's UV or if it's just like, you know, light and then dark. So let's swatch them. All right, the first one is, there's a 1 on here. Here's a 5, 2. I don't know if these are the numbers. Don't know if you can see right there, it's a 1. So I'm just gonna show you the color and not the name, because again, I don't know. Whoa, holy moly, this looks cool. Oh, I'm about to put this on. A few little chunks in there. Let me get, I mean, look at that. Here is that orange, I'm sorry, pink to orange. And this is UV. Okay, these are cool. These are plastic bottles. Like, you know, most of them are like the glass. So these are plastic, which may or may not be a good thing. I don't know. They're a lot lighter. So here's a yellow to green. Like, I like them just their normal color. Just a touch more. Although this is pretty pigmented. Yellows are pretty hard to do, I think. Here is that yellow to green. Remember, I only did 1 coat, so you may see some shadowing, but this one's still glowing. Here is a green to green, looks like dark green, and then a light green. Perfect. You know, these would be really cool jelly nails if you like scraped it on and then they would glow in the dark. I mean, that would be pretty sweet. All right, here is that green. Super cool. And I'll show them all when they're done. This is a light blue to darker blue. Ooh, I like this color. This would be perfect for clouds or a cloud background. Ooh, how cool. I might have to do that. All right, here is that blue to the light blue. Still glowing. Here is a medium blue to a navy, it looks like. Okay, this is a pretty decent, like, medium blue. I was gonna say it's kind of dark, but then I realized so is the bottle. Because like all the other colors are super light. Well, yes, they are. Here is that blue. All right, here is that darker blue. Oh, it's losing focus, but it's still glowing. Okay, this is a probably medium purple. I mean, that's pretty dark. I'm getting great Halloween vibes from this, especially if you're doing a glow in the dark. Here is the purple, and this one glows much brighter in person, but I would definitely say this was the hardest one to make glow. Again, I want to say thank you to Rosland because these are so cool. This might be one of my favorite things that I have actually gotten in a long time, but this glow is just so stinking cool. And I like the colors when they're not glowing. So that's a win-win in my opinion. So I will go ahead and link these down below, and if I have any coupon codes for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.